Welcome once more. In this video, we are going to continue the explanation of a scanner class, but with string and char. And in order to do this, we just have to create an object or variable of type scanner. We can call it whatever we want. Enter, for example, new scanner, and then system.in, and then ends with semicolon. If we just say, for example, system.out.println, and then we say enter your name and end with semicolon. The next line, we create a variable of type string, call it name, and then we say enter dot next, and then ends with semicolon. Println has to be written correctly, then we work this way. And in the last line, we should say something like this: your name is name, and here we have to put quotation mark. If we just run this, enter your name, for example, Mustafa, and then your name is Mustafa. But there is a problem that will face me if I have a name that consists of more than one name. For example, if I just say this, John Oliver, and press enter, your name is John. But where is Oliver? Look, what happened is this. Next, once it finds a space, it will take all what's before it and it will neglect anything else. Then it will take John and neglect Oliver. And in order to overcome such a thing, we just have to use something that is called next line instead of next. If we just run this again and say, for example, John Kerry, your name is John Kerry. It ran well. But there is a problem that happens when using next line, which is if I have a variable before it, for example, int age that is equal to enter dot next int, and for example, before it I say, in order to make it meaningful a little bit, enter your age. If I press run, I have to enter my age, and then it will offer me to enter my name, and then it will print your name is such and such. If I just enter 20 and press enter, the program is end. And this is not supposed to happen. What did happen? After I had entered the integer here, there is something called a null that is generated. Null in programming means nothing. But unfortunately, next line in Java consider it to be a thing. It takes it and it considers it to be enough for it. And in order to overcome such a thing from happening, we just have to put enter next line directly before it if we have another input before. If we just run this again, enter your age 20, enter your name, anything like this. Your name is anything like this, of course. And we can add here, and your age is, and then we put age. If we just try again, any number, anything, your name is anything, and your age is any number. The last thing that we have to take as an input is a char, and it will be like this. If we just have a char of x that is equal to enter, we'll use next, and then we'll say char at, and then we'll put 0 inside the char at, and then ends with semicolon. If we just system out.println x and ends with semicolon, if we run this, he waits me to enter a symbol like this, it will print it. But if I enter more than one, it will just take the first one, as we can see right here. If you got a benefit from the video, just don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.